at HearingLife in Goose Creek. This is the newest Low Country location for HearingLife. I'm here with Dr. Steven Kulsar, who's an audiologist here. Steven, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
So this is the newest location, like I said. How does it feel to be here in Goose Creek?
It's great. You know, the location's been amazing. We're right here kind of beside Lowe's and Chick-fil-A, and really accessible for all of our patients. Much brighter, welcoming space, so we're excited to be here.
So you have locations around the country and all around the Low Country, so lots of convenient ways to take advantage of all you have to offer.
Of course.
So let's talk about all you have to offer.
Sure.
Who would be a good candidate to come here?
So really anybody. What we like to do first, what I like to say is, anybody who's not had a hearing test, particularly anybody who's over 55, we definitely would recommend getting at least a baseline. But you know, even if you're not within that age range, right, or if you have any sort of difficulty hearing, you should absolutely stay on top of it. Hearing is a big part of healthcare, and more we're finding that link is really important to address.
Definitely. So adults of all ages can come here and receive care.
100%. We welcome everybody. Yep. And the hearing testing here is complimentary, so you won't have to worry about any sort of billing or any sort of insurances for purposes of testing.
Awesome. So once you get that hearing test, if you find out you do need some help hearing, what kinds of options do you have? Yeah,
so there's so many options for hearing loss now, really more than ever. If we do need to have you referred in another direction, we can do that as well. But we do specialize in hearing aids, of course, all state-of-the-art digital technology, and it's really tailored to the patient. So we have something for everybody. It's about sitting, figuring out what your needs are, and then going about a way to meet them.
Yeah, some people might not have the right updated vision of what these hearing aids are like right now. Can you talk about the updated technology for these?
Oh yeah, so it's nothing like anything would be imagined as far as a stigma. Most of them are barely able to be seen, but they can do so much too, right? We're not really just making things louder. It's a big misconception with hearing aids. We really need to make sure that we're focusing on sending speech sounds to the brain, keeping that part of our hearing healthy, making sure that we are really putting an ease on listening. A lot of the challenge is not that we don't hear, it's that it's not easy for us to hear. And hearing aids now can really start to bring all of that back to you. So it's really exciting. They look nice and sleek. And you know, for patients who want it, they can do lots of things with cell phones, iPhones, connectivity, all of that Bluetooth stuff is available as well for those who want it.
I know, my poppy has hearing aids and he's able to listen to the TV higher with his hearing aids. He loves it.
Yeah, so something for everyone.
It's such a game changer and a life changer, I'm sure, for so many people.
It is, absolutely.
What is the campaign for better hearing?
So that's a really nice program that HearingLife runs, and what we can do as providers is we can recommend patients who may not be able to otherwise get hearing aids or to get the hearing solutions that they need, and we are able to write a story about them, and our company will approve hearing aids at no cost for some patients who can really benefit from it. It's a really nice way to just give back to the community and to make it known that there is something for everybody, right? And so financial or other challenges don't need to be roadblocks.
Like I said before, there's so many Low Country locations, but let's talk about Goose Creek. How can people contact you guys to get help if they live in this area?
Sure, so we're right here on St. James Avenue, like I said, right by the Lowe's and Chick-fil-A, and we can call anytime for an appointment. The phone number is 843-569-3603, or you can check HearingLife.com and get our information that way.
Awesome, Dr. Kulsar, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you for coming.
Of course.